Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm so excited to share the brand new Scrap and Stamp Under the Sea card kit. Here's a quick overview of what's in the kit. As always, I'll have all the supplies listed below. First up, we got a pack of Studio Catcha rainbow crystals. The Under the Sea stamp set by Photoplay. I love this set because there's a huge variety of sea creatures and sentiments for almost every occasion. The Photoplay Wave Stencil, which is perfect for A2 and slimline cards. 12 sheets of 6x6 cardstock from Photoplay, as well as some basics in seafoam and turquoise. And the star of the show, the shutter card bases from the Photoplay Maker series. This kit is packed with everything you need to make a trio of interactive cards, plus endless possibilities using the stamp set and stencil. Before we get started, here's a look at a couple of samples I created off camera. For this card, I ink blended the background with Oxide inks and added distress spray in blue ribbon. For my second card, I created a mini under the sea scene and used a circle die on the stamped image so that I could attach everything on an angle. Isn't that so cute? Now it's time to create our very own shutter card. I also wanted to point out that the Maker series card kits come with amazing, easy to follow instructions. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the card base on the scored lines. I also went ahead and pre-cut all of our pattern papers. Once I'm happy with the pattern paper design, I'm going to go ahead and glue them in place. Now I'm going to work on the shutters. I'm going to go ahead and cut on the marked lines, and then I'm going to add the pattern paper on top so that I can easily trim it down. So you can see everything is coming together nicely. I'm going to go ahead and add the lighthouse pattern paper to the back because I want it to peek out through the shutters. Next, we're going to work on the rectangle that goes in the center of the card. I'm going to carefully place the circle die towards the top of the rectangle. With everything all set, now we can add the shutter pieces. I would recommend some strong double-sided adhesive tape, and then we're just going to go ahead and add it to the scored edges. And now I'm just going to plan out where I want the shutters to attach to. So all you have to do is just line it up to the first scored edge on the card base and then fold the flap over. For the center rectangle, all you need to do is add some 3D foam tape to the top and bottom and then place it in the middle of the card base. But just before I attached it, I realized I should probably stamp the sentiment first. Otherwise, it would be a tricky situation. And now we can attach it to the card base. Last but not least, we're just going to finish up the wrap. I added pattern paper to the front of the wrap, and the circle is from our die cut from earlier. I'm also going to go ahead and die cut a smaller circle using some leftover pattern paper. Now I'm going to color in these images using Spectrum Noir tri-blend markers. When I'm coloring small images, I like to go from darkest to lightest, moving between colors in small circular motions. Once I'm happy with the blend, I'll go in and add highlights if necessary. Once all the coloring is done, I'm going to go ahead and adhere everything in place. And that's the card. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and would like to see more, please don't forget to hit and like the subscribe button. Until next time!